Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to insert a PDF into Google Slides. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all you have to need convert your PDF to JPG. So for that, open a new tab and type PDF to JPG, and you can use any website to convert your PDF. And after opening a website, click on choose file and select your PDF and select convert entire page, choose option, and then click on download, save to device. So as you can see, I've successfully converted my PDF into a JPG. Now let's see how to add this PDF or image to my slide. So open your slide and click on insert and click on image, upload from computer, and now select the converted JPG and click on open. And as you can see, I've successfully inserted my PDF to my Google Slides. So that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.